Okay, so we have the pumpkin spice oatmeal cookies coming up. I really am curious to see how it turns out. I used half a recipe from an Amish cookbook and then I switched it up a little to be my own. So this is gonna be a test. Mashallah, smells absolutely wonderful though. Alright, they are ready to go in the oven. I'm super excited. Okay, these cookies are literally addicting, and I am going to probably eat too many, but they're chewy, gooey, the white chocolate that has the pumpkin spice in it, and then with the added cinnamon, with the oats, I mean, stunning. I just am addicted. Going to eat these with some nice cold milk from grass-fed cows. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's calling to you. It's calling.